So can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes, madam.
Okay. So good evening everyone. Myself Gauri Suresh. I'm working as a BIM application engineer in BIMLABS Global. So today we have to study a new software. We have to familiarize a new software called Formit 360. Okay. So basically Formit 360 is used for conceptual modeling creation, the creating conceptual model and energy analysis. Okay, so have you heard about this software?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so it is a product of Autodesk. Okay, so here you can simply create a conceptual model using this software, and you can export this conceptual model into a Revit file for providing more details. Okay, so we have to familiarize the tools before creating the model. So I will explain that what are the tools here and what is the use of the tools which he provided. Okay, so first of all we can see a file tab. So in the file tab we can see a new sketch option, open sketch option. If you're opening any software you can see the similar options, right? The new sketch, open sketch, save sketch as, import option, export option. Then this is the recent files which we created in this software. Okay, then in the edit tab we can see the undo, redo, cut, copy, paste in place, delete, select all, set axis, reset axis, touch mode, preference, etc. Okay, so first of all we have to know the if you need to set the axis, if you need to customize this axis, the default axis, you have to go to the edit option, then select the set axis option. Okay, then here you can choose a place for placing that axis. Okay, so it's selected here. So likewise you can you can customize that. You can change the position of the axis, default axis. Okay, so after that if you need to reset the axis, here you can um, enter that RZ command, or you can directly just select on the reset axis option here. Okay, that is provided in the edit tab. Okay, okay, like this. In the view tab, so here you can see there are there are different kinds of views. The first one is the 3-point perspective view, then 2-point perspective, then orthographic view, top view, front view, then right view, left view, then back view, bottom view, etc. And also the 3D view. Then fly through mode is also here. Okay, the fly through mode. Okay. Then for orbiting, you can go for that orbit option. Simply you can just have to click on that left side of that left key, that mouse, left key of the mouse. Then for swivel, it's a wide orbiting option. So it's called the swivel, like this. Then next option is pan option, like this. Or you can go for this short keys that is provided here in the view tab. Okay, for top view, for activating the top view you have to enter VT, front view VF, right view VR, left view VL, back view VB, 3D view VD, fly through mode FT, orbit O, swivel SV, pan P, for zoom Z, zoom on ZA, zoom selection ZS. Okay, so likewise we can change the views. Okay, the next we have to know the drawing tools, that solids, advanced modeling tools, etc. So I will explain now, and then later I will show how to use the tools. Okay, now I just simply explaining what is the what is the purpose of these tools. Okay, the first one is the draw tool. Here you can provide the vertex line. Using this, you can create the vertex line, offset line, spline, arc by 3 points, arc by center and radius, rectangle, polygon, circle, etc. In the solids, you will get default some primitives called that cube, dome, pyramid, cylinder, roof, etc. So this is the advanced modeling tools, that is join geometry, cut geometry, intersect geometry, sweep, cover, loft, offset solid, shell solid, fillet. In the group option, you will get the create group option, edit group, make unique, ungroup all, ungroup model. And also you can create a section plane. Either you can activate by entering SP command. Then 3D text, it's like a model text, similar to that, similar that to the model text. Okay, so it's a simply you can provide a 3D text using this 3D text option. Okay, also you can activate by entering 3T. In the design tools, you can set a location, a geography for this conceptual model. Then this is settings option. Here you can set a units. Here we have imperial and metric units. Okay, so here I'm setting a metric unit, that is centimeter. Then you can set can set the languages here. Okay, now it's I just set a default language, that is English, United States. Then likewise you can set the units, languages, etc. Then this is the app theme. Okay, so here you can provide the app theme as light, dark, then blue, etc. Okay. Then I also explained that this software is used for conceptual model creation and that energy analysis. So if you're having that insight option, you can do the energy analysis using the insight. Okay. Then collaboration. Have you heard about the BIM 360 and BIM 360s and all?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so it's a collaborative platform. It's a cloud-based platform. For example, if you are in your team, suppose you have 5 members. Okay, so if you need to share the file, or if you need to work with them, you need to share the file, and then only you can if any person in the team will making any changes, that will updated to the shared file. So that is a collaboration. Okay, so like this you can do the collaboration also here. Then this is the window option. Here you will get the reset toolbars like customization, like that if you need to activate or inactivate something, here you have to go to this option, that window option. Okay, the info. So you can see the new features of the software, then Formit blog, Formit forums. If you need any help, you can go for that. That Formit help is there. Then about Formit. Okay. So that's all about the tools, the tabs. Okay. These are the tabs in here. These are the tabs provided in the software. Okay. So is there any doubt up to this? Hello? Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt up to this?
Yeah, I have doubt, ma'am.
So what's the doubt?
Actually, I'm not understand what kind of software is this.
So it's a conceptual
What you
modeling, a software, and also you can do the energy analysis.
only energy analysis.
Not only energy analysis, you can create a conceptual model. So conceptual model means you don't have to provide so much details. Okay, so you can simply create a 3D model with this. Okay.
Can you show me practical one?
Yes, I will show how to do that one. Okay.
Actually, I'm listen first time this software.
Ah, okay.
I know Revit, AutoCAD. This is I understand. We this software is I'm not understand what.
So so you know the Revit software, right? So
Yeah,
in the Revit software, you have to provide so many details. You can create a detailed model using the Revit software, right?
of course, of
So
course.
here, but you don't have to provide so much details. You can simply create a 3D model. Okay, I will show how to do. Okay,
Revit model is converted into this software or what? Transfer into this software.
you can transfer the Formit file into Revit software for providing more details.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. So this is just an introduction about the software. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to explain the tools, the use of the tools, and I will show how to create a model, conceptual model in this. Okay. So it's just about an just an introduction. Okay, that's it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Here I'm going to create a conceptual model. So first of all, I am going to this drawing tools, that vertex, line, offset line, arc with 3 point, etc., and also the rectangle, polygon, circle, etc. Okay. So this is the vertex. If you need to provide a vertex, this one, like a point in AutoCAD, the points in AutoCAD. Okay. And second one is the line tool. Again, simply create a line. So if you are creating, if you just draw a line, if it is a closed figure, it will make a plane like this. Okay. Then also you can provide, you can convert this 2D into a 3D model by just simply click on the plane and you will get a centroid option. So using the centroid option, you can provide the height like this. So here we have some limited tools. There is no move tool, that push or pull tool, etc. Okay, so you have to simply click on the option, click on the plane, then you will get a centroid option. Then you can provide a height. Okay, so if you need to provide a fixed height, just enter it. Okay, like this. Then just click OK. So like this, you can provide the height. Okay, and if you need to move this model, just just use the tab key by for selecting this one. Then you can simply move this figure. Okay. Okay. We don't have a move tool in this. Okay. So that's why we are moving like this. You have to click on that tab key 2 times, then simply move. Okay. Okay. The next one is the offset line option. Okay, I will draw a rectangle before that. Okay, just draw a rectangle here. So using this offset line, you can provide the offset distance. Okay, so in the Revit and AutoCAD, you have the offset option. So that's the same option is there. Okay, that offset line option. And you have to provide a you have to specify a point. And if you need to provide a length, you have to just provide that, you have to enter the distance. I'm just providing 500. The dimension, the length of this line is 500. Then here you can provide the thickness. Okay, suppose if you need to provide a wall thickness of 23, you have to provide it here in the thickness. Okay, then you can select a alignment, left or right or center. Okay, so like this you can provide the alignment, then okay. Then look at this. So like this you can create walls and all. So this measuring, using this measure tool, you can measure this one like this. Okay. Then next in the draw tool, that is arc by 3 points. So you have to specify 3 points for creating an arc. Okay. So first of all, I'm specifying first point, then second point, then third point. Okay. The next option is the arc by center and radius. So you have to provide a specify a center and a radius. Okay. For creating the arc by center and radius option. Okay. Like this. You can provide an angle for the radius. Okay. Like this, you can create an arc by center and radius. The next option is the spline option. Like this. Spline option. So it's similar to the polyline option. Okay. Then next one is a rectangle. You can simply create a rectangle or you can provide that length. Just enter the distance, that length. Okay. So you will get the dimension option. So this option is called the tool options. Using this one, you can provide the dimensions, dimensions and all. Okay. Okay, like this, you can simply create a rectangle. Then next one is the polygon. Here it's a 5-sided polygon. If you need to provide more sides, just select this polygon tool, then enter a value. Specify a place, then enter a value. Suppose I'm specifying a 300. So here you can provide the dimension of this polygon and also you can provide the number of sides. If you need to create a polygon with the number of side 8 is provided here, then click OK. So likewise, you can simply create a polygon. Okay. So is there any doubt up to this? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Okay. In the draw tool, the last option is a circle option. Okay. Then here you can provide the dimension of the circle that it is. Okay. Then hit enter. Okay. So likewise, we can create that. You can use this vertex, line, offset line, rectangle, polygon, circle, etc. You need to provide height. Just simply click on the plane. Then you will get this centered option. Using this option, you can provide the height. Okay. That's all about it. Then the primitives. The default shapes in the software: cube, dome, pyramid, then cylinder, then roof. Okay, that's all about it. Okay, so it's default shapes in the software. Okay. Then the next option is a very important one, that is advanced geometry tools. Okay. So just creating okay. For explaining that option, I just creating some like this. Using this centered option, I just intersecting this one. Okay, like this. So it's a two. I just okay, I just intersected a two cubes. Then first option is the join geometry option. Okay, if you need to join two solids into a one, just select this option. The option it's showing the select the solid to join into. So I am selecting this one first solid and selecting the second one. Then just click on the finish option. Okay, look at this. Now the two solid is converted as a single solid. Okay, so that is a join geometry option. Then second one is the cut geometry option. Okay, so it's a okay. I just again creating a placing a cube here. So for explaining that option, here also I'm intersecting this one like this. Okay. Okay. And I'm selecting the second option, that is cut geometry option. So if you need to cut a solid from another solid, you can go for the cut geometry option. First of all, I'm selecting this option, this cube. And after just selecting this one, the solids to remove. Then hit on the finish option. Look at this. So here you can simply cut a geometry from another geometry. Okay, so that is a cut geometry option. The next one is the intersect geometry option. Okay, intersect geometry option. Here also I'm creating a two. I'm just intersecting two cube like this. Okay, just intersect like this. Then select on the third option, that is intersect the geometry option. If you need to intersect a solid from another solid, just selecting this first solid, then selecting the second solid, then hit finish option like this. So here you can simply intersect the geometry using the intersect geometry option. Is there any doubt up to this?
No.
The next option is the sweep option. Okay, you can sweep a profile along a path. So I just creating a path. Okay. Created a path, and also I'm providing just going to create a profile for. Okay, just creating a profile like this. Okay. Then I have to sweep this profile along this path. Okay. So go to this law sweep option. First of all, you have to select the face. Okay. That profile, sweep profile. Then after that, you have to select the path. Okay. If you need to select that whole path in a single click, just hit on the tab key. Okay. Then you will get the selection like this. Then again select on the finish option. So likewise, you can sweep a profile along a path. Okay. So that is the sweep option. Okay. Then next one is a cover option. Okay. So I will place a cube here. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm going to delete this this face. Okay, so now it's a void. Okay, now it's a empty form. So you have to close. You have to make this as a closed cube. Go to this cover option. Then I'm select. You need to select a single edge. Okay, so I'm selecting this single edge. Then again select on the finish option. Okay, now it will. Now it's a enclosed figure. Okay, so now it's a closed figure. Okay. Then the next option is the loft option. Okay, so you can connect multiple profiles using the loft option. Okay, I will draw some multiple profiles like this. Okay, I will create here. Okay. Okay, so I just created like this.
Hello.
Hello.
Madam, how to increase the circular cube? Click on that
Hello.
or hello?
Ah,
Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear.
Um,
Ah,
that model,
ah.
how to increase decrease that?
Which one? That height?
Right.
Okay. So if you need to provide height to this 2D profile, okay, just simply click on the plane, the profile,
On
then you will
center.
get a yes, you will get a centroid option. This one, a red color dot. That is called the
Okay.
centroid. So using the centroid, you can provide the height. Okay.
You are clicking or
Yes,
with the
I'm clicking the left key of the mouse.
on the center point.
Yes.
Okay.
Now it's clear.
Okay.
Okay. Then next we can select this loft option. So I'm just selecting this one as the first profile, then selecting this option, then again clicking on the finish option. So it will come. I have to wait. I think it's stuck. Just wait a minute. Okay, now it's a two profile. Okay. Can go to the loft option, select the multiple profiles, then finish. Okay. Like this, you can create a loft, a profile using the loft. Okay. So is that clear, the loft option?
Yes.
Okay. The next option is the offset solid, shell solid, and the fillet option. Okay. Okay, I'm going to place a cube here. Then go to this offset solid. Okay. Here you can provide the offset distance. I'm just going to provide an offset distance of 50 centimeter. Then okay. Then you have to select the solid to offset. Then again finish. Now the size is increased by 50 centimeter. Okay, so that is the offset solid. You can increase the size, increase or decrease the size using the offset solid. Okay, so is it clear? Then next option is the shell solid. Okay. Okay, I'm just selecting the shell solid option. Here also I'm providing an offset distance that is a 30 centimeter. Then okay, I'm only selecting a face. Then again click on the finish option. Okay, this is the shell solid option. Okay, so like this you can create a shell solid. Okay, then last one is the fillet. Okay, I'm just providing a fillet value of 60 centimeter. Then okay, I'm selecting this a single face. Okay, so like this you can provide a fillet. Okay, is there any doubt up to this? The advanced geometry tools?
No.
Okay. So what about others? Are you listening? Okay. So that's all about the advanced geometry tools. Next we have two familiar groups option. Okay. So now it's a when you're selecting this faces, you can see it's a single surfaces, right? So you need to make this as a group. Okay, so go to the group option, select the create group option. I'm selecting this element by clicking on the edge, then finish. So now you can simply move this that solid. Okay, so that is a group option. Okay, and if you need to edit this group, just select the edit group option. I just selected that one. Then I just modifying this one. I just providing a height. Then again finish. Just click on the finish option. So likewise you can modify the group. Okay. Then next option is a make unique. Okay. Make a unique option means, okay, I'm going to create another copy of this. Go to the edit option. Okay, just selecting this group. Go to the copy option. So when you're right clicking it, you will get this copy and paste option. Just selecting copy option, then again selecting here, again right clicking that one, then paste. Okay, so like this you can create a copy of this. Okay, now it's a two group. Okay, so if you need to edit a group, if you need to make as a unique one, just go to this unique option. Just select this and then provide. Sorry, I'll create another shape. This one. I'm going to make this as a group again. Okay, now it's a group. Simply selected it and finish. Then again select this group, right click it. You will get the array option here. Okay, so using the array option, you can create a multiple copy of a selection. Okay. So here you will get two type of array option, that is linear and radial. So in using the linear, you can create multiple copies as a horizontal or vertical. So using the radial option, you can create a array that copies in a circular motion. Okay. So just selecting the linear option, and also I'm providing the number of copies here. Just providing number of copies as a 4. Then you have to specify the total length, this one. Okay. So that is the total length option. Is it clear, that array option? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, that array option?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So when you are editing the group option, if I am going to edit this, okay, if I need to edit this group, okay, selecting this one, just providing height. Okay. Now the changes will apply to all the groups. Okay, because it's a I just created this multiple copies using the array option. That's why I will I am getting like this. Okay. So if you need to modify, if you wish to modify a single group in this, go to the make unique option. Okay. So just selecting this one, then finish. And I'm going to again modify this one. Select this one. Okay, after making this as a unique one, the changes will not apply to that other groups. Okay, so that is the make unique option. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Only
Then next one is a what?
is changes.
Hello?
Only single box is
Ah,
changing.
yes. That is a make unique option.
If I want to change only one box, that's
Ah,
option will
you
choose.
can go for that make unique option.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one is a ungroup option. Okay, if you can explore the group. Okay, so here I'm selecting this one. Okay, this one. Then finish. Now it's ungroup. Okay, so that's an ungroup option. The next one is the ungroup all. Here you using this ungroup all option, you can ungroup the multiple objects, the multiple solids. Now both this one as ungrouped. Okay. Then last option is ungroup model. So it will break all the groups in the active sketch. Okay. And before that, you will get a question, the format question. Are you sure you want to ungroup all groups in the active sketch? If I just clicking on the S option, it will ungroup all the groups in this active sketch. Okay. Now look at this. All the elements will explode. Okay, like this. And also you will get like this. Okay. Then next is a 3D text option. Just providing a 3D text. If you need to change this 3D text, okay, go to this. After selecting this 3D text, here you can see that inputs. Okay, yeah, I need to change the text as a okay, BIMLABS. Okay. So if you need to apply the changes, go to this run option. You need to activate this run option. Then only the changes will appear on this 3D text. Okay. Selecting the run option.
Not change.
It will change. Wait. Look at this. You will
Okay.
get a message like this: success dynamo run completed. Likewise, you can uh, edit this text. Okay. Then
If I want to change color, then
text color.
right.
After selecting the text, you can see that font, justification, text size and all. But here we don't have that color option, the changing the color. Only that you can change the font, justification, text size, etc.
Then how to change color, ma'am?
In this version, we don't have that color changing option.
Only
You
single
can
color.
change only what?
Only single color is mentioning only blue.
Yes, only a single color. Here you can change the font, justification, text size and all, but we don't have that color changing option. Okay,
Oh.
so that's all about the 3D text option. Then, okay, I'm going to show how to create a conceptual model. Okay, so that's all about the tools. I'm just going to this a draw tool again and selecting the line. Before that, I'm activating this. I'm just changing the view as a top view. Okay, top view. I'm selecting the line option. Here you can simply create a conceptual model. You can provide the length and width. I just created a profile like this, and I'm going to provide height. Okay. So first of all, you have to select this plane, the surface. You will get the centroid. Using the centroid, you can provide the height. Okay. Is there any doubt up to this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So in the Revit, you will get the option that levels. Okay. So in the Revit, you have to assign levels for that model, right? So we here also we have that levels option, and this one, the third option, this one, levels. Okay. So here you can add a single level, or either you can add a single level or you can add the multiple levels using this option. Okay. So I am going to add multiple levels. So selecting the second option, I'm just providing the number of levels. Okay. I need 15 number of levels. Then also you can provide the distance between this layers, each levels. Okay. I'm providing the distance as 2 meter. Then okay. Okay. So I just created 15 levels using this multiple level option. Is it clear?
I have one doubt.
Yes.
If I want to change one level to another level distance, suppose first level is 3 meter,
Okay.
second level is 4 meters, suppose.
Okay.
Then
If
how?
you need to provide a different distance to this level, you can just select, you can go for this add level option, the individual level option. Okay.
Hmm.
Then you
Then how
can,
to edit?
what?
How to edit?
If edit, just simply select on the levels. After right clicking that one, you can you will get the add level option, add a multiple level option, delete level, edit name, edit elevation and all. If you need to edit it like this, you can edit it like this. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to assign this level to this model. Okay. If you need to assign this level to this model, first of all, you have to select all this model. That's model. Then go to the first option, that is properties. Then select, I have to I have to activate the use levels option. Okay. Now here only 7 level is assigned because that height is very low that way. It's
Right.
providing the height. Okay, so just a minute. Using this Android is providing more height.
Levels are not.
You have to assign. Okay. Again select this one. Then go to the properties again. Then you have to activate this one. Okay. Or you can just click on the check all option. Okay. So likewise, we can assign, create and assign levels to this conceptual model. Okay. Is it clear up to this?
Right.
Then next we have to familiarize the visual styles. This one. Okay. If you need to provide the brightness to this model, you can provide the brightness, adjust the brightness. That is the ambient contrast, the contrast that this one. Okay. Then if you need to activate the shadows, you can activate the shadow, and also you can adjust the intensity of the shadow. Okay. Then if you need to provide the colors to the surface, like this you can provide colors. Then if you need to activate the back faces, and also you can provide the back face. Then if you are just providing that section, you can just provide the effects, section cut effects, using this section cut effects option. Okay. Here I didn't provide any section. Okay. Then go to the next option, the edges. Here you can activate the edges and all. Then contrast of the edges. Simply click and drag. Like this you can adjust the edges. Then thick edges. Thick edges, sketchy edges, hidden, extended edges. Okay. So likewise you can adjust it. Okay. And also the silhouette, like this, that extended, a wider extended edge, that is the silhouettes. Then also you can adjust the contrast of that one, this one. Then that grid, if you need to inactivate that grid option, then the grid can activate and inactivate the grid option. Then axis, this axis, the levels, if you need to inactivate the levels. Then the fog effect, the background, you can see the foggy effect, this one. If you need to get a clear background, just inactivate this fog option. Then only you can see the clear background. Okay. The north arrow. Look at this. If you need to activate the north arrow, you can go for that. Then if you need to change any color to this, for this environment, here you can set that upper, middle, lower background, etc. Like this, you can change the colors. Okay, like this, you can change the colors. Then ground plane, this one, this transparency, you can adjust the transparency of the ground plane, this one. And also you can provide the color. So that's all of the visual styles. Okay, and also if you need to provide, if you need to add some furnitures and all, can see the content library. So it's a library samples from the Revit. Okay, you have to simply click on the content, the tables and the components. Simply click and drag to this model. Simply select and then drag. Get this. So likewise you can provide, you can place contents. Okay, and components. Okay. Is it clear up to this? Is there any doubt up to this? Okay. Then if you need to convert this, if you need to export this Formit model into a Revit for providing more detailings, first of all you have to activate. First of all you have to open a Revit file, Revit project. Okay. So I'm opening a Revit. I just opening a Revit, the latest version 2024. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Madam, 2022 version, how to download? 2022-23.
Revit.
Yeah.
Uh, the Do you have that Autodesk account?
No, I don't have.
First of all, you have to create an Autodesk account. Uh, okay. You have to provide if you're having that Autodesk account, then only you can download the software. Okay. Are the students of BIMLabs?
No.
Okay. Are you working?
Yes, I am working.
Okay, I think first of all you have to create an Autodesk account with your
But there,
have to also provide that mail ID and the full names.
yeah.
After that, after creating the account, you have to log in using that account. Okay, or you have to log in with that. Then
But
you
he is
can
uh, so many
what?
information. Asking so many informations about college details, ID card, that.
Yes. If you don't have that, um, if you having that ID cards and all, you can go for that. You
Hmm.
have to provide that ID card details, and then only then you can download the software. Okay, that Autodesk softwares,
Yeah, I
that
don't have.
CAD,
Uh,
Revit, etc. What?
I don't have any ID cards and all. Actually, I am completed. I have done 2018 password.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm, then you can go for the business account that I think you need to purchase that all. I think
Hmm.
so.
So many people are cracking softwares to the Revit, AutoCAD, like that. Then how to crack?
You
You
can
have
what?
how to crack? You have any idea about that?
There are so many procedures to crack a software.
Yeah.
Uh, if I'm getting any videos of that installation, I will share on the chat box. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, or you can you just provide your mail ID in the chat box. Okay, I will send you that. video or that crack file. Okay. Okay, I just opened a Revit software. I'm going to create it as a new one. Okay. So go to the model option, then go to the new option. I just selecting a template that is default metric. Then open. Click. Okay. So if you need to import that Formit file into this Revit software, first of all, you have to open a Revit software. Then only you can import that. You will get that import option. Okay, after opening a Revit file, go and activate the default 3D view. Okay, then go to the masking and site tab. Then select the 3D sketch option. Okay, so using the 3D sketch option, you can launch a Formit file into this Revit. Okay, for the 3D sketch option, you will get a open Formit option. And also it will show a message like this. It will show a notification like this, that launch Formit with all Revit visible Revit objects, launch Formit with the selected Revit objects, etc. I just selecting the first one, launch Formit with the all visible Revit objects. Then only it will open. From this it will open the Formit software. Okay. Then you have to create the conceptual model from this one. Then you will get this share option that saves the Formit file and create a linked instance of the model. Like you will get this option. Okay. From this option, you can import this form conceptual model into the Revit option. Revit software. Is that clear?
Okay.
After that, you can after importing that one, you can provide walls, floors, roof, curtain system, etc. using the model by phase. Okay. Do you know the massing option, the Revit? No.
Yeah, madam. Tell me.
Do you know that massing option, that conceptual massing creation in the Revit?
No.
Okay, there is an option like that, massing option. So using this model by phase, you can provide roof, wall, floor, curtain systems and all. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
After importing that Formit model into this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So is there any doubt up to this?
No.
Okay, so that's about the software. Okay, that's about the today's session.